Hey guys, welcome back to another repair video. Today we're going to be changing a charging port on the Apollo Air. Let's get into it. The tools you'll need for this are a hot glue gun, some flush cutters, a 4mm bit, 4 and 3mm Allen key or hex keys. We're also going to be using long nose pliers and a battery drill. First thing we're going to do here is pull down the kickstand. You're going to take your 3mm Allen key. We're going to start to loosen up both screws. Then we can take the long side, pull them all the way up. These screws are pretty long, so you won't lose them. And after these two parts, you've got it off. Up next, we're going to flip the scooter over and open up the base. Now what we're going to do is remove the 6 screws at the base. We're going to take 4mm Allen key and start to unscrew these. You can remove them all with the Allen key, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to use a battery drill. We can now put our drill aside and just pull off the cover. We're going to disconnect the connectors right here under the heat shrink. We're now going to take flush cutters and open up the heat shrink. Make sure to not cut any wire. That should do the trick. You can cut an opening until you see the red connector inside here. We're going to hold the other part and just gently pull the connector out like this. Now what we can do is remove all the hot glue from here. I'm going to use a pair of long nose. We can now remove the rest of the glue. Finish removing our nut. There we go. And now we can push this through to the other side. We can then take our new charging port, insert it back in the hole here. There we go. We take our nut. We can then screw it in. That should do the trick. We will now take a hot glue gun and re-glue this backside together. We can now take our hot glue gun and apply a tad bit of glue all around just to hold the nut in place. That should do it. After the glue has set, we can connect our 2 wires back together. Make sure the flat part is on top. So we can gently push that back in. That should do it. Now if you want to, you can tape this up with some electrical tape, but we're going to leave it like this as the hot glue creates a seal around the port and shouldn't let any water in. Now to put the base back on, we're going to tuck this to the side and just flip the base and gently push. We should see the alignment of the holes with the threading at the bottom. After we've put the base back on, we can screw our 6 screws back in. Make sure to stop right before it ends because we don't want to strip the screws. We'll finish them off with the Allen key afterwards. We can now take our 4mm Allen key. Make sure these are tight. If you overforce them, you will crack the plastic, so just be careful with that. And there we go. Let's flip it back over. Last step, we'll place our kickstand back on. Your first screw. Make sure to line it in both holes at the end. Take your time here to make sure to not strip the screw. I'm going to take our Allen key and push it in a bit. After it's started off, take our second screw. Do the same thing. I'll finish off your second and we're just gonna make sure that they're both tight. Just like this. Now all that's left to do is plug in your scooter, make sure it charges, and that's how you change a charging port on your Apollo Air. Thanks for watching, guys.